All right, we're doing a Bruce Hornsby twofer here. You like it? Oh shit! Oh, I remember this song. Uh-oh. Song came and went, like the times that we spent hiding out from the rain under the carnival tent. I'd laugh and she'd smile, it would last for a while. You don't know what you got till you lose it all again. Listen to the mandolin rain, listen to the music on the lake. Oh, listen to my heart break every time she runs away. Oh, listen to the banjo wind, a sad song drifting low. Listen to the tears roll down my face as she turns to go. Cool evening dance, listen to the bluegrass band, taste the chill from the air till they play the last song. I'll do my time, oh, keep you off my mind, but there's moments that I find I'm not feeling so strong. Listen to the mandolin rain, listen to the music on the lake. I'll listen to my heart break every time she runs away. Oh, listen to the banjo wind, a sad song drifting low. Listen to the tears roll down my face as she turned to go. Running down by the lake shore, she did love the sound of a summer storm. It played on the lake like a mandolin, now it's washing away once again. Again, whoa, again, whoa, whoa, whoa. I'll put something to drink. Yeah, yeah. Oh, I miss her, I miss her, I miss her. Oh, oh, yeah. Oh, boat steaming in on the wash side wheel spin, and I think about her when I hear that whistle blow. I can't change my mind. Oh, I knew it all the time that she'd go, but there's a choice I made long ago. Listen to the mandolin rain. Oh, listen to the music on the lake. Hey, listen to my heart break every time she runs away. Oh, listen to the banjo wind, a sad song drifting low. Listen to the tears roll, oh, down my face as she turns to go, as she turns to go, as she turns to go, babe. Oh, listen to the mandolin rain. Do you pow, 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 how? Listen to the tears roll. 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 Down my face as you turn to go. Listen to the tears roll. Down my face as you turns to go. Oh, oh, oh. Oh, whoa, 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 whoa. Listen to the mandolin rain. That was fun. That was fun. I really had fun on that one. Most times I sing this song, they're crap. That one I liked. All right, thank you much.